talking about the global drug development functions in a top pharma company like a Novartis. And the reason again I'm sharing this with you is it's important to understand how drug development is structured and where does PV fit into that organization in a pharma company. Now, if you look at it, the majority of a pharma company's activities are around clinical trial management, data management, because these are the ones where they need to bring in a lot of people, focus, data, efforts, etc. But then there is a significant amount of investment that they need to do in areas like biostatistics, medical writing, because that's one of the important areas, and pharmacovigilance. Now, pharmacovigilance over the last 20 years has become very important as far as a pharma organization is concerned. So whether they like it or not, and like Kamal said in the morning, the while it's a cost center, it's not something which is going to generate any revenue. It's required by the regulation and also in the interest of patient safety that companies are required to do. So most of the big pharma that you look at it, they have their pharmacovigilance departments or units now in India, and therefore they need to have strong PV systems. These PV departments get audited, inspected practically, every month. There is some inspection audit that happens every month, and therefore they need to have the required people to understand PV audits and inspections who can actually, set up the right systems. At the same time, they need people who are independent of the PV department to conduct these audits and inspections. And then we have regulatory affairs. So in a nutshell, if you look at all of the departments within a global drug development organization, they will fit into one of these. There are some smaller functions like HEOR and others which are coming up, but in general, these are the large 6 functions that you would see in a pharma organization, right?